Hello everyone, I'm back to give you a quick flip through or a glue book share of some of the pages that I worked on, during my hiatus and things like that. And in this glue book, this is a new glue book that I'm starting. I'm gonna try to just do all magazines. It's not gonna work, right? It's not because I can't help it. I have to grab stuff on my desk and grab this, but I'm gonna try. I'm going to really try it just to use magazine images in this glue book. As you can see, it didn't work because down here I have what do you call this? A little embellishment right here, and then of course I had to put butterflies because I love butterflies. Put butterflies on everything, and then I doodled. So anyway, I'm going to try. It's going to be a predominantly magazine glue book. I had fun doing this. So this was one, and it says head to toe fun. Do you have to have sentiments in your glue book? No, but I like to have sometimes. I have fun doing this one. Okay. So that's that. And in my junky junk, where I do just pick up everything and anything and glue it down. All right, and this one's in my one of my junky junk glue books. You can see, and it's something funny I noticed about this glue book and the other one, but I'll tell you later. But this is a ode to my mother, and she's still living, thank God. When I saw that advertisement, I think it was in one of these magazines. I can't remember which magazines, for Briars, and the natural vanilla being one. I said, I have to do one for my mother. This is what made it. This scoop right here, too. I had to do it. I had to do it. I know I used their whole campaign probably on this. But I had to do it. My mother, when I was growing up, every day eat a nice big bowl of her vanilla ice cream. She had to have it. Had to have it. Picked up a lot of things for my mother, but this is something I could not pick up. I tried it, and it's okay, but I like strawberry and things like that, or peanut, what is it? Forgot the peanut one, but I started, I think, getting allergic to that one later. Oh, butter pecan, that's what it is. But strawberry I like, but she just loved every single day. It's just an ode to her. She just had to have her Briars vanilla ice cream. I think back then they called it vanilla, but did they? I don't know. But it looked like this. And of course, a different container. But I had to. And over here, I took the Briars and then I doodled over on this side. And I have another story to tell you about something else that I got from my mother. But not the fake ones, though. But that's another story for another time. I'm just proud that this is in here because I just can't explain. But I really had a good time doing this one. Oh, I looked down and saw a piece of from a project. I said, oh, was this supposed to be just magazine? That's my other one. That's my other one. I had a really good time. So that's all I have for you today for this, just to show you too. Yes, I will have some process videos where I show you making. I've got to get back in the groove of creating online again, and because nothing ever goes right. All right, friends. Thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you made it this far. If they have an ice cream emoji, put an ice cream emoji down there if you don't have anything to say. Or if you don't want to comment, but just to let me know that you were here. And I will talk to you later. Or you can put a wave emoji or smile or anything like that, just to let me know that you're there. And I will talk to you later. Bye.